What is dating? Dating is a special kind of friendship between two persons of the opposite sex that may lead to love, courtship, and marriage. Why do you date? If you haven't begun dating yet, why do you wish to date? Just because your friends are dating? Or because you are old enough? Or because someone asks you out? It is very important for you to think through your reasons for dating. There are a number of positive reasons for dating. It helps you to develop your personality. When by dating, you interact with a member of the opposite sex, you will get to know yourself better. The knowledge you gain will become valuable in helping you learn how you can relate to others. Dating helps you to learn to know and understand the opposite sex. Dating paves the way to understanding a variety of personalities, attitudes, and problems of the person you are dating. Dating fills your social needs for fun and recreation. All work and no play molds a dull personality. A creative dating life opens up opportunity for good times with someone you care about. It fills the need during a time in life when young people need to be together, to relax, to have fun, and to enjoy life. Dating helps you to find a future marriage partner. It helps sharpen your reasoning skills so that when you make the final decisions to marry, you can make an intelligent one regarding the traits you want in a future partner. Just as there are good reasons for dating, so are there bad reasons as well. Most of the bad reasons involve selfish motives. Some people date for reasons that don't have anything to do with love. They just want to create an impression of popularity, to impress their friends, or to find some sexual release without any personal commitment. Today, young people understand that dating means patting, necking, kissing, drinking, dancing, riding, etc. Some guys date for prestige. Some boys and girls date to make someone else jealous or to seek revenge. And some date for sex only. But one of the main purposes of dating is to get to know each other better. Obviously, if you spend a good deal of your time necking and patting, your relationship will tend to remain at a very shallow level. Many young people date without knowing differences between love and infatuation. Love and infatuation do have one thing in common, that is, strong feelings of affection for a member of the opposite sex, which complicates the matter of sorting out the differences because many of the symptoms overlaps one another. The desire to be near one another constantly can just as overwhelming in infatuation as in genuine love. You may wish to be together all the time, dreading the hour of parting. You may experience a feeling of emptiness after your friends have gone. But this does not necessarily mean that you have found the true love. Longing for the other person may be just as strong in infatuation as in love. Love grows, and growth requires time. Infatuation often hits suddenly. You cannot really know a person after only a few meetings. Many people wear masks and put on their best behavior at first. They try to be agreeable and pleasant at all times and keep such unpleasant triads as anger under control. Love centers on one person only. Infatuation may involve several persons. An infatuated person may be in love with two or more persons at the same time. For instance, a young woman may say she is in love with two fellows and find it impossible to choose between them. But true love will have a constructing effect on your personality and bring out the very best in you. It will provide you with new ambition and interest in life. You will study harder and plan more effectively. But infatuation, love, has a destructive effect on the personality. You will find yourself less effective, less efficient, less able to reach your own potential. Infatuation thrives on unrealistic daydreams, which cause you to forget the realities of life, school, work, study, and responsibilities. Love may even grow during a separation. Absence helps you recognize how much the relationship means to you. Infatuation dies quickly once the other person fades from sight. Love controls physical contact. Infatuation exploits it because infatuation depends largely on physical attraction. Here is a very important point. Love is selfless, but infatuation is selfish. Infatuation is self-centered. You think more in terms of what the relationship can do for you than what you can do for the relationship or for the other person. If you are in love, not only will the physical appearance and behavior of the person attract you, but also his or her character, personality, ideas, and attitudes will attract you. You will be interested in the way he or she thinks and responds to situation. How does the person respond to personal success or failure? Is he kind, appreciative, and courteous? Do your attitudes on religion, family, sex, finances, and friends match? What interests do you share in common? The more you have in common in these areas, the better your chances for developing genuine love. When you truly love someone, your family and close friends will most likely approve of the relationship. If your parents or friends do not approve it, be careful. If they feel convinced that you are about to make a big mistake, they might be right. Parental approval is a key clue. Statistics shows that those marriages which lack the blessing of God and parents have a high failure rate. If the parents and friends object, please take good care of it. If you are in love, you will tend to have a sense of security and trust after considering all the elements in your relationship. But an infatuated person, on the other hand, will probably struggle with the feelings of insecurity and may attempt to control the loved one through jealousy. A couple in love faces problems frankly and attempts to solve them. If certain problems seem to threaten their relationship, They discuss them openly and attempt to solve them intelligently and prayerfully. Under infatuation, a couple will disregard differences. Now, my friends, now you know that you have got a general picture of what kind of relationship you have right now. What should you do about it? What you can learn from your present involvement will prove valuable to you in future relationship. You need to check your love feelings against the realities of life. Dating and going steady at a young age or too soon in the development of a relationship presents certain temptation that can inhibit personal and spiritual growth. Many a times, even young boys and girls with high ideals fall into premarital sex as a result of going steady. Often such young people get caught by pregnancy because they think of themselves as nice people who would never go too far. They get caught up by the emotions of the moment, and the girls ends up pregnant, and they plan to disobey God. Youth time is the time for developing honorable values, worthwhile goals, and standards of behavior. Of course, get involved with new people, date your friends, but do not forget to pursue righteousness. And be careful to keep away from sexual immoralities. My friends, take Jesus in your dating. Let Jesus be the silent listener and your companion in your relationship. Be honest to say no sincerely and politely to temptation. Avoid situations that will lead you to trouble. Let the man or woman know your attitudes from the start. Don't encourage physical immoralities by your dress or actions. Refrain from temptation. If you commit your life to God, if you commit your relationship to God, you can be rest assured that He can and will help you control your sex life when you ask for His guidance. He will provide the strength to resist temptation and to keep sex under control. He will help you in this area of your life, just as in all other areas. But among you there must not be even a hint of sexual immorality, or of any kind of impurity or of greed, because these are improper for God's holy people. Nor should there be obscenity, foolish talk, or coarse joke, which are out of place, but rather thanksgiving. For of this you can be sure, no immoral, impure, or greedy person, such a person is an idolater, has any inheritance in the kingdom of Christ and of God. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, and it does not proud. It is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. 1 Corinthians 13:47.